now to the Shipyard Ship Repair Facility of the Year. This category sponsored by the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah. And the finalists are Arab Shipbuilding and Repair Yard, Drydocks World, Dubai. Yes, thank you very much. Grandweld, Heavy Engineering Industries and Shipbuilding, Interocean Ship Repair, Oman Drydock Company. Let's hear it for all of those wonderful finalists. Thank you so much. And presenting this award for us, would you welcome please to our stage Mr. Yaqub Abdullah, Director, Marketing and Promotions of the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah. Welcome please.
And the winner is Drydocks World Dubai.
And stepping up now to receive the award on behalf of Drydocks World is the CEO, Captain Rado Antolovich. Welcome and congratulations. Your appreciation, please. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you, Drydocks World Dubai, taking home the Shipyard Ship Repair Facility of the Year. Let's hear it one more time. Thank you very much for your generous applause.